I started riding sleds when I was about 10 years old. Started watching, pro riders and really created a passion for it. Dream come true to really be a black cat rider. Met a lot of really good people riding snowmobiles. My name's Kyle Saxton. I live in Big Fork, Montana. Arctic Cat became part of my inventory about 4 years ago. I had hopped on a buddy's Arctic Cat and I was sold. I had a lot of fun on it, and I've always been about riding with new folks. It's so fun to see everyone's progression and love for the sport. And last year I kind of got that mindset a couple months before season, started training a couple months before season, and this year I've been training since got done riding and really been hitting it hard this summer, so I feel like I'm going to come in well prepared this season. That's one of the biggest mods, I think, is yourself. I'm just looking forward to riding. I'm so pumped to ride. Being in Montana and technical riding, I love technical riding. I love in the trees. But that being said, I love jumping probably equally as much. When there's a good jump to be found, I'm all about it.